Welcome everyone. Today I talk about waterproofing materials. Waterproofing is the process of structural or surface resistant to the penetration water under specific condition. It helps prevent water leakage, seepage and dampness into building compounds such as roofs, walls, basement and foundation. Common waterproofing materials. Number 1. Cementitious waterproofing. Number 2. Bituminous membrane waterproofing. Number 3. Liquid waterproofing membrane. Cementitious waterproofing. It easy to mixing and apply in brush or spray directly on concrete surface. Use in bath, water tank and interior wet areas. Popular cementitious material are Holyseam, Nippon and Shikha Top Cell 107. Produce company in Shikha Bangladesh, Lafarge Holyseam, Nippon Paints, etc. Bituminous waterproofing. It provides durable, strong moisturizer protection on surface. Used in basement and foundation. Common popular products are Shikha Shell, W159, Marcent Line Bituminous and Top Cell. Bangladeshi produce company are Shikha, Marcent Line and Global Business Solution. Liquid waterproofing membrane. Liquid waterproofing is a modern method used to protect building from water leakage. It forms a seamless, flexible coating that covers roofs, bathrooms and basement. Common liquid waterproofing products are Dr. Fix LW101, Nippon Cell Flex 200, Fiber Pro, Smart Care Waterproofing, Nerolac, etc. Produce company are Dr. Fix, Nippon, Asian Paint and Nerolac.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about one of the crucial aspects of building protection material. We often overlook it, and it is damp proofing. Without it, our buildings are like castles made up of sand, vulnerable to moisture and damage. Imagine living in a country like Bangladesh, where the air is humid and the rain lasts forever. Moisture is everywhere and it loves to sneak into our walls and floors. And this dampness causes paint to peel off and plaster to crumble, metal to rust, and worst of all, mold to grow, turning our homes into unhealthy places to live.
Ashraful, so what precaution we can take?
Don't worry, Akash. Damp proofing is the invisible shield that moisture takes its strength, protecting our building from harm. In Bangladesh, we rely on some effective weapons in this fight against dampness. Materials like bitumen coating, damp-proof membranes, DPM, waterproof cement coating and chemical damp-proofing solution do the heavy lifting. And for walls and basement, polymer-based paints and liquid-applied membranes are the secret weapons that keep moisture out and keep us healthy in our house. Protect your spaces from dampness with these trusted products. Berger Damp Guard, a reliable solution by Berger Paints. Asian Paints Smart Care Damp Proof, advanced protection from Asian Paints. Roxy Damp Guard, effective damp proofing from Roxy Paints. Elite Damp Proof, premium defense by Elite Paints.
Thermal insulation and heat protection materials are used in building to minimize heat gain or loss, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature.
In the growing cities of Bangladesh, heat and humidity are constant challenges for both comfort and construction. Best heat insulation materials in Bangladesh: PU foam panels, EPS boards, XPS boards, glass wool, heat reflective paints, polystyrene foam panels. It is lightweight, high thermal resistance. Its common applications are roofs and walls. EPS boards. Expanded polystyrene boards are cost-effective and good thermal insulation. It is both locally manufactured and imported. Popular brands and suppliers are Golden EPS Solution, AA Sourcing, and Sandwich Panel BD. XPS is heat and thermal resistant board. It is commonly used for roof and wall insulation. Often exported or sold through local distributors like Fortemix Bangladesh, Mothers Technology Bangladesh. Glass wool is flexible, lightweight, and great for thermal insulation. It is used in roof insulation and partition walls. Mostly imported and popular suppliers: Cactus Profiles, Alpha Steel Product, Akram Mill Store. Heat reflective paints. Heat reflective paints are specialized coatings designed to reflect solar radiation, reducing surface temperatures and minimizing heat absorption. Notable brands in Bangladesh like Luminex, Ducon, Nippon Paints, and Berger
is one of the most important structural materials in modern buildings. Corrosion is a major problem, especially in humid, coastal, and industrial environments where moisture and oxygen causes rust formation for steel. We can apply zinc-rich coatings, epoxy coatings, and more objects to prevent steel. We are on a roof. We can see some reinforcement in very unprotected condition. Water will damage it when it rains. As a result, the rust will attack the rivers. We need to use chemicals to prevent the rust in the rivers and to keep the rivers very strong. Zinc-rich coatings is primarily imported in ready-to-use form. Few companies are making local mixing using zinc-rich powder and its resins. Its local name is zinc primer, zinc-rich paints, and galvanic coatings. Some popular brands for zinc-rich paints are Berger, Sika, Nippon, Asian Paints. In new technologies, zinc aluminum hybrid coatings are offering longer protection from corrosion. We can also use epoxy coatings for steel to prevent corrosion. Most epoxy coatings are imported in resin form and then formulated locally by Bangladeshi paints and chemical companies like Berger, Sika, RK Paints, etc. Raw materials of epoxy coatings are mostly imported from China, Malaysia, Singapore, and India.
My topic, weather resistance and UV protection. So weather resistance and UV protective coating are used in building to protect surface from rain, sunlight, humidity and temperature changes. Together they make building long lasting and look better.
Here's a real world comparison. On the right we see a wall damaged by sunlight, rain and faded, cracked and weak. On the left, the same type of wall coated with weather resistance UV protection paint look vibrant, strong and long lasting.
Many types of coating: polyurethane coating, polyester powder coating, exterior paint. In Bangladesh, company like Berger Paint, Nippon Paint, Asian Paint and PD Paint produce this paint locally in Gazipur, Misharai, Dhaka and Chittagong. Common products include exterior paint, waterproof coating and PU finishes. Some high-tech coating like nanoceramic, cool roof paint are imported.
Here, how a specialized coating works. It reflects UV rays and sunlight, preventing heat absorption. This keeps the surface cool, protect the paint and reduces wear over time. By using this coating, we can protect our building, save energy, create a more comfortable environment.
New technologies such as full roof coating help reduce heat, save energy, while PU acrylic membrane give both waterproofing and UV protection. Paint also use anti-fungal and UV absorbing additives for better performance in our humid climate. To get best results, surface must be cleaned, primed properly before painting. Weather resistance and UV protection finishes protect building, reduce maintenance cost and help and save energy, making them very important for our climate in Bangladesh.
Today I am going to talk about fire-resistant building materials. These materials play a very important role in construction because they help protect building and save lives during fire accidents. Fire-resistant building materials are specially materials, design materials that resist heat and fire damage. Fire-resistant protect circular immunity and ensure the safety of occupants. Many types of fire-resistant materials like slow speed, loose walls and ceilings. A fire-resistant gypsum board is used to slow down the spread of fire and protect the building structure, giving people more time to escape during a fire. Popular brands in Bangladesh: Busundhara Gypsum Board, Akish Gypsum Board, Partex Gypsum Board. It consists of fiberglass and fire-resistant components, offering resistance up to 2.5 hours. Available in dimension of 8" into 4" into 2" is a specially designed glass that can withstand higher temperatures and prevent the spread of flames, smoke and heat for a certain period during a fire. Friends, in Bangladesh Nasir Group, Grasshopper Group, it offers up to 3 hours rated fire resistance glass and steel profiles. Luminescence coating is a fire protecting paint that expands when exposed to high heat, forming a thick insulating char layer that protects the material underneath like steel or wood from fire damage.
A coating is a thin layer of material put on a surface to protect it. For the protection of building, we can be used various kind of coatings. Cement-based waterproof coating used in water tank, bathroom, basement and renting walls. Prevents water penetration and increase durability. Acrylic coating. Acrylic coating used on exterior walls and roofs to protect from sunlight, rain and weather. UV resistant and enhance appearance. Polyurea coating. Polyurea coating used in industrial floor, bridge and water tanks. Silicone coating. Silicone coating used on brick, stone and plaster surface. Cementitious coating. Cement-based waterproof coating used in water tank, bathroom, basement and retaining walls. Prevents water penetration and increase durability. Elastomeric coating. Elastomeric coating used on exterior walls. Thermal insulation coating used on roof and exterior walls. Polyurethane coating. Polyurethane coating used on floor, roof, parking areas and roof gardens. Epoxy coating. Epoxy coating creates a hard and chemical resistant layer on concrete, floor, tanks, basement and steel furniture. Fire retardant coating. Fire retardant coating used on steel surface, walls and ceiling. Antimicrobial coating. Antimicrobial coating used on hospital, food areas and water tanks.